name is Carrie.
My name is Abigail.
And welcome to the farm at the American Revolution Museum at Yorktown. Today we are talking a little bit about the drop spindle, which Abby here is holding. The drop spindle is a very old form of spinning that you can use to take something like wool and turning it into yarn or thread or string, something that you can then work with. This is something that exists in many different cultures, and this is something that's also very portable, and it's something that is great for teaching children to use when you're teaching them how to spin. Abby and I have been working a little bit on learning how to spin our fiber, in this case wool, into yarn. And then release, pinch, pull, release, pinch, pull, release. Give it an extra spin. Okay. So are you ready? So pinch. And we see it pull a little bit. This is where it gets a little complicated. You don't want to pull too much. So you can pull it. I would pull up. You can just pull out a little bit if it feels like it's sticking. Okay, so I'm going to spin it for you. Now pinch the top of it. Stop spinning. There you go. Good job, see? You get some yarn right there. So we need to unhook it here. Can you unhitch that? Yep. So it's not going to create a knot because we didn't tie a knot in it. Okay, so unloop it from the bottom. And now we're going to spin it onto that. So you can just twist. Hold on. Just twist it. Other way. There you go. So it's clumping up a little bit, which is going to happen. But if you can separate it a little bit, so I'll like pull it apart like that. And you can pull it a little easier. Want to try that? Try that part. I'm going to hold it for a second. Let me do that. Okay. Now I'm going to give it a spin. You ready? Okay. Very good. Okay. Let's go. And that's why we call it a drop spindle. So spinning, whether it be with a drop spindle or even a treadle wheel or a walking wheel, is something we're going to find women of all economic classes doing. This is also something we're going to find women enslaved on middle class farms doing. This is something we're going to find indigenous women doing. Again, spinning is something that transcends cultures, and it has been around for a very, very long time. This is something that is probably going to become even more common when the American colonists start fighting against the British. Now you need to make a lot more of your own things here on the farm. Thank you guys for watching our video on using the drop spindle. I hope this has been helpful. If anyone has any questions, definitely come out to the farm and see this in person. If you want to continue to see other fiber arts videos on this JYF channel, please comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe as well. Thanks for coming. Have a great day.